Hi guys, I'm Suzannah, the owner of amorbeautyldn. Today I'll be showing you how to make Wispy volume sets. I like to use the easy fans in 0.05 diameter CC cals. I personally like to use these lashes because they give me that perfect dark finish. I also like to use, for my spikes, 0.07 CC cal. And I love to use the mirror to always check my sets when I'm lashing. These are all the tweezers I use on this set, so I alternate between these two to pick up my fans. I alternate just because with the shorter lengths, this tweezer actually helps pick up them lashes that little bit better. And then this one is better for the longer lengths. This is my tape that I use to wrap around my finger that helps me get my grip. So guys, I used to love using volume lashes, but one day I experimented with easy fans and I really liked the look of them, and so did my clients. I found that I was able to achieve a darker look with the easy fans and just that clean finish. See, so when this happens, sometimes I don't like to waste the lash, so I'll just take a little bit off, put it back on my, and that's the good thing about easy fans, where they don't actually fall apart. You can play about with them and make them. If you want a smaller fan, you can make them smaller, and if the base is too thick, you can always play around with it and get it perfect. Voila. So guys, I like to fill in my inner and outer corners first. Now I'm going to build my set and add my spikes. I'm going to use 14 and 15 from this tray. And I'm also going to use the 16 and 17 on this tray. I really like using long lengths when I'm creating my wispy sets. Okay guys, so I have finally filled in my set with fans. This is the finished look. Thanks for watching.